Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a form on the office.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and then go to your homepage by tapping on this home button in the upper left corner of the screen. After that, you should tap on this form button in the middle in the create new section. After that, tap on this add new button after selecting from these template options on the right side of the screen. Tap on add new in order to add a new item such as a choice, text, rating or date. If you tap on this button, you can see more options here. So tap on the relevant one, then you should type in your question and the options, and then you can start proceeding with your form. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.